Skillfully Glow Science has established itself as a leading manufacturer of professional solid surface boss tables and reception tables. With unwavering expertise and dedication, we have been crafting high-quality furniture pieces that elevate the aesthetics and functionality of office spaces. Our solid surface boss tables and reception tables undergo meticulous manufacturing processes, utilizing top-of-the-line materials and advanced techniques. We prioritize durability, ensuring that our furniture withstands the demands of everyday use while maintaining its pristine appearance. Each boss table and reception table is thoughtfully designed, with a keen focus on ergonomic comfort and modern style. We understand the significance of creating an inviting and productive workspace, and our furniture reflects that understanding. Whether you seek a sleek and contemporary design or a timeless and sophisticated piece, our collection of solid surface boss tables and reception tables offers a range of options to suit your preferences. From executive office spaces to welcoming reception areas, our furniture is crafted to leave a lasting impression. Within our factory, we boast a team of experienced workers who have honed their skills in this industry for over 20 years. Equipped with professional machinery, such as CNC machines, cutting machines, drilling machines, and specialized ovens for solid surface materials, we ensure the flawless completion of our products. Our ultimate mission is to achieve your utmost satisfaction. At Skillfully Glow Science, we take immense pride in our craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. Our dedicated team of professionals works diligently to ensure that every boss table and reception table meets the highest standards of quality. When it comes to professional solid surface furniture, you can trust Skillfully Glow Science to deliver exceptional products that enhance your office environment.